Welcome to the HESC website rebuild case study. This was a website rebuild in WordPress and had to be easy to edit and manage with fast loading and an SEO-ready website. It was part of a build with our partner agency, Cox Inall Dentsu. We used WordPress and Gutenberg with Blocksy Theme and pre-built tools to get the best result at the best price. The website is SEO optimized for a great customer experience. We saw some impressive performance improvements with a load time of just 290 milliseconds. We now have a mobile optimized fast loading website that is secure and up to date with a great design. If you would like to work with us, go to MRKWP.com or contact our partner, Cox Inall Dentsu.